How to fix Discord login problems. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So the first method is to check your server status. So click on any browser, open downdetector.com, and then over here, go ahead and type Discord. So it'll let you know if there's any server problem with Discord. If the server is down, then you'll have to wait for server to be back up to be able to log into your Discord. The next method is to disable VPN. So go ahead and open your settings, and you can do that by pressing Window and I button. Go ahead and click on Network and Internet. Click on this VPN and then disable Allow VPN over meter networks and Allow VPN while roaming. Go ahead and click on Proxy and then make sure Use a Proxy Server is also disabled. And then restart your PC. So the next method is to try cleaning your browsing data. So open your browser, click on the three dots, click on More Tools, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure that the time range is all time, and then take this cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can also take browsing data if you want, and then click on Clear Data. If this doesn't work, click on the three dots, come to your settings, click on Reset Settings, and then click on Reset Settings to Original Defaults, and then click on Reset Settings. So if this doesn't work, try logging in through the Discord app. So open any browser, go ahead and type Discord download, and then come to the official website, and then click on Download, and then try logging in through the app. So this is how to fix Discord login problems. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.